Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to use the slope formula to find the slope of a line when you're given 2 points. Let's review the formula first. The slope is represented by the variable m. For the formula of the slope, we need 2 points. Points have an x and y coordinate. Since we are using 2 to differentiate the x and y coordinates of the first point and the second point, we use subscripts. So we're using 1 to identify the x and y coordinates of the first point and 2 to identify the x and y coordinates of the second point. The formula of the slope is m is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1, that is the difference of the y coordinates of the second minus the first point, and x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which is the difference of the x coordinate of the second point minus the first point. Now that we reviewed the formula for the slope, how do we apply it? Given 2 points, when I need to find the slope, I just need to assign which point is going to be the first one and which point is going to be the second one. If I decide that this is going to be my first point, then this x coordinate and y coordinate is going to be the x sub 1 and y sub 1. For this point, which is going to be my second point, then these x and y coordinates are going to be x sub 2 and y sub 2. So then I'm going to replace those values in the corresponding space in the formula. So it's going to look something like this. This is going to be x1, y sub 1. This is x2, y sub 2. And then I'm just going to apply the formula. It says that it's going to be y2 minus y sub 1. So this is going to be this value minus this value, which is going to be minus 2 minus 2. Now it's going to be here the difference between the x coordinates, which is going to be s sub 2 minus s sub 1. So it's going to be 0 minus the value that is here. So it's going to be 0 minus minus 4. And I'm emphasizing this because I don't want you to confuse the sign here representing the subtraction sign of the formula with the sign of the coordinates. So be very, very careful with that. So just solve here. So minus 2 minus 2, which is going to be minus 4. And 0 minus minus 4, which is the same as 0 plus 4. So we're going to have a 4 here. And just solve. So this is going to be negative 4 divided by 4, which is going to be negative 1. So here we have a line which slope is going to be negative 1.